Hi, my name's Josh Hogg, and I'm going to be teaching my favorite skill right now. Currently it's called juggling, and you do it with balls, or sometimes scarves, starting out. Alright, so I'm going to be teaching my students today. So let's get to it.
Alright.
So, how you start out with juggling, okay, is you usually use lightweight scarves that are about 18 to 24 inches square. Scarves move slowly and they allow the children to track with their eyes visually. And then once they do that, they can build the skill enough to use juggling balls that are a little bit heavier and like a beanbag. Alright? So, I'm going to start with you, Sally. You want to try juggling first?
Okay. The scarf?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
For partner juggling. Okay?
So you can show me and then I can do it with Johnny.
Yeah, that sounds wonderful.
Okay.
So, you want to just have our hands up.
Okay.
Start shoulder.
Okay, shoulder. Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to throw this one to you.
Okay.
Left hand. Catch it.
Okay.
Now as you throw that one, I'm going to throw this one.
Oh. Whoa. Oh. Okay.
There we go.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
I think that was good.
Okay, so now I'll try with Johnny. Alright.
My name's not Johnny.
Yeah.
My name is Tommy.
Oh, sorry, Tommy.
Alright, Tommy.
Hey, what do you want me to do?
Okay, so by throwing, who goes first?
You go first. You have two.
Turn so they can see you.
Yeah, they would go first.
Okay.
This is two. There you go. That's good. That's good effort.
Whoa! Whoa! Tommy.
What? Okay. Now what? That it?
Yeah, that's the basics. of
Okay,
partner
let's see.
juggling.
Oh, this is called partner juggling.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead. Ready?
Ready. Alright.
Bravo,
Is that good?
student.
Okay.
Alright.
Right
Yes,
now,
good job.
how do we move to the next step? Happy step.
Yeah.
All right, you're going to have to show us how to do that.
Yeah. Maybe we can.
Tommy, pay attention.
The
Come on.
on your head. No, don't do that.
Okay. All right.
So you guys could maybe do two,
Okay. Let's show
and
me.
then go. If you feel better, confident, you could do three.
Okay. So how do you show us what it looks like? How do you?
Partner juggle.
Yeah. Or just show us how
I
to
know.
juggle.
I know how. But you have to catch the ball first.
Okay. You have to.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Which hand?
Doesn't matter.
You're getting it. You're getting it.
Oh, hold on. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Go.
Good job.
Oops. Almost.
Excellent work.
Girls, they can't catch.
Wait.
Oh,
Okay. I can
let's
do it. I can
be
do
fair
it. I
now.
can do it. Okay.
You need to be fair.
That's right. You need to be fair.
Yes.
Okay. Can you show us how this looks like
Sure.
when you juggle? How do you?
By myself?
Yeah.
Sure. I can juggle by myself. So
Okay. Let's see how
I
you do it.
have three balls. I have one hand, and I'm with the two on my right hand. I'm gonna throw the first ball, and then I'll throw my left hand after. Or this the second ball is I'm gonna throw. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. Good job. Wow.
Bye-bye. We're gonna go juggle now.
Alright. Past.
How would you,
concludes my.
how-
Hi everyone, I'm back. So I'm going to be teaching the game, and my students obviously are behind me. Sorry for the little break. So today I want to be teaching them a game, a beat-up game, and this game has to do with eye coordination, and it is called Hot Potato.
Tomato.
Hot potato.
Oh.
Hot potato. I remember playing that before. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so, I guess we can pretend this is a potato.
And it's hot.
Yeah, and it's very, very hot.
Okay.
Okay.
To play and
And you want
So
to
this
see
could-
toss it.
and toss it back and forth, and that's how
And
you
you
play
could
the
use
game.
this like catching for.
Yeah, you can use this for hand-eye coordination for a sport that has, like, what sport would you say you would use this game for?
Softball.
Softball?
Softball?
Baseball?
Baseball?
How about
Juggling.
basketball?
Juggling? Yeah,
So any
basketball.
where you catch a ball, right?
Yeah.
In a mitt, like okay,
Alright, I guess I'll let you start first.
okay.
Okay.
And then I'll say, on the count of 1, 2, 3.
Hot potato. Hot potato.
Uh-oh.
Women. Hot tomato. Hot tomato.
Next words.
Hot potato.
Oh,
Hot potato.
ow, ow, ow. Oh, jeez.
I'm gonna try a trick one.
Whoa.
Hot.
I like hot potatoes. Are we good?
Yeah. Alright. I think that concludes our presentation today. Everyone have a good day. Thank you. One last demonstration, guys. So I'm gonna put up together all the steps that I learned, or that we learned as a class. We taught. And yes. Here are me putting all the steps together. My right hand I go 1, left 2, 1,
Oh, wow.
2, 1, 2.
Good job.
Alright.
Can you do it faster?
I
A
can.
little bit faster. Wow. Well, that's pretty good. We're gonna be able to do that.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. We're putting all this together. Thank you.
Alright. That's the end of the
Go
presentation.
Ringling
Thank you.
Circus.